Morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2. It is now officially like 8:30 right now. Fonz is taking a shit. Tony is barely waking up, and me, well, yeah, I'm getting the Camaros started, as you can hear. So it's around maybe like 60 degrees right now. I sound like shit because my allergies really kicked in, but I got Zyrtec with me, so hell yeah. Hello, potato, 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 potato. Potato, potato, potato is the cam I hear. Oh, so everyone doesn't freak out so I don't look weird because I can't see right now. There you go, you can't tell now that I'm really tired.
It was fucking cozy in here last night.
Was it? And you didn't use the tent that you bought.
Yeah, because Christy was using it, but like, I don't know what time she woke me up. She's like, I'm just gonna head home. And I'm like, she like knocked on my window. I'm like, what the fuck? And I like get my flashlight. I'm like, huh? Then I go back and sleep. I'm like,
So when you woke up, you found out you weren't in bed.
no, I was like, what?
Oh yeah. And then of course Tony's over there, getting the stuff for breakfast. We need fire. We don't have a lighter.
I think Christy was gonna go get some stuff.
Well, we're hungry now.
Or I just backed my car over here and backfire into it.
You don't have two-step.
Yeah, but I'm backfiring, Maybe there's a little blue flame that can light it up.
Okay, so continuing on for day 2, Fonz, we're now in staging somewhat, right?
Pretty much, we're trying to beat the line because yesterday was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, we saw the video. Everyone saw the video, and yeah, you were kind of pissed.
Oh shit! You want to know how pissed I am? This is how much rubber I burnt, and I didn't even get any traction at all on the damn track wherever on that lane.
Mm-hmm.
And I kept spitting until I hit 3rd gear and bogged it.
Well, at least this time, hopefully, we don't really, spin out or anything like that. We're going to go fast.
And you're probably going on like, oh, your tires are dirty. That's the reason why. No, I did this last year. It worked fine.
Yeah, but you had different tires, though. But then again, these are way better than the old tires.
These are supposed to have much more traction, and I know it because I already took a turn. There's so much more grip on this.
Hi, Tony.
Hi.
Ready for today?
Oh, yeah. It's perfect weather right now.
Yep, and we just put like, 1 gallon of race fuel in your car? Yeah, clean out that O2 sensors on spark plugs.
Oh, yeah. And by clean them out, all those engine lights just shooting off left and right.
That is a weird setup.
Crazy like this before once in my lifetime. Come on, we all live in Tucson. All fucked up in the head already.
I seen that diff. It's a couple of CTS or Mustangs or something like that, but this is a clean setup. It's nice.
Yeah.
Damn, dude. What time has he run?
I don't know.
I'm tempted to find out.
Oh, you know what? I think it was low 14s.
Still. Damn. So this thing's nice. Blasphemy.
I'm gonna learn how to weld.
That is beautiful.
And it's great. I mean, like I break off the bolt, I don't really have to worry about it. Throw a nut on there, tack it on, pull it out. Like, there's just so many things you never really think about when welding is awesome. I like the coil bracket. That's slick.
Love that gold flake.
I know.
Bullet mufflers. Yep. Just like off the.
Oh, I didn't know that. He actually has his logo into the paint.
There it is, guys.
Damn.
Turn around there. Oh, it looks like.
up, guys? We're all kind of just waiting over here. Sorry, bad camera angles. Let's see what happens today. Hopefully we got a better improvement from yesterday. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a clouds. We're hoping it's not going to rain or anything. Honestly, don't think it's going to rain. Hopefully it's just a little bit of a spot somewhere else away from the track. But let's see what happens.
There, guys, just like last night, we're just basically waiting again because some idiot decided to brake on the very first pass again, like last night.
Why am I not surprised?
At least he stopped halfway and not going down the track.
Common courtesy, right?
Yeah, common courtesy, my ass.
Yeah, sure enough.
But at least he stopped and that continued. Like last year, how that Volkswagen just kept going, and just layered the track all in oil and
I'm gonna
antifreeze.
knock on wood because I'm gonna be that asshole.
All the drivers saw him come on, and I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna wait.
I'm excited you lined up with this guy. This is awesome.
We're basically just waiting, all seeing who's the guy who leaked down on the track.
Roadkill is basically now a competition. Who can throw the longest oil streak now?
Oh, is that
It
what
used to be
happened already?
burnouts, now it's
Blues motor.
oil.
Oh, that's beautiful.
We think it has.
Due to high wind and dirt coming off the desert. Over my dead body. God damn it. Anyways, so they cut the track in half to an 1/8 mile because of the high wind and dirt getting onto the track. So that takes the whole fun out of it. But burnouts for distance, I guess. That's all. Copy. So let's see what happens, guys. I mean, like, I think I'm gonna do one serious run and then just keep doing the burnouts or some shit. The tires are expensive, even if you do have like water on there. All right, let's see what happens in a sec, guys. Well, that went better than last time. Way better than last time.
Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to have to put some more fuel in the car because it's really dogging when I launch right off.
Alright. Yeah, dude, my right side keeps trying to spin on me. I need to put some weight back there. Yo, at least I won.
Just about, I actually hit harder.
It's like it was trying to creep up on me. I'm like, not today, bud. There's more freaking burnout marks on my tire. This one just keeps fucking burning out.
I didn't do a burnout. I fucking my tires.
I'm at 30 psi, so I'm like, I got it lowered.
No Cooper Cobras. Huh, Tony? You gonna whoop him again?
Maybe.
Better.
Bring the Jeep today?
Yes, sir.
58, yeah, 71 miles an hour.
See you, Fonzie.
It's working.
All right, there's Fonzie. Okay. Oh yeah.
It does.
I don't.
Oh, he's out on the Camaro. He's out on him.
Yeah, Fonzie, come on, go.
I'd love to see the truck out.
Attention, pay attention to the area. Please, if you were in the car show and won an award, come on up to the Station Lanes at lane 7.
All right, PJ.
If you were in the car show and won an award, please come up to lane 7.
My best one. They have
And they'll direct you all the way up to the head of staging.
Oh, the F-150's running out on him.
To pick up a win in the car show. Up to the staging lanes, lane 7, please.
Camaro ran him down.
They're not very good at takeoff.
Dear Lord.
Jesus.
I think the tires are warm.
What tires?
I think the rims are warm.
Oh God, the tractor. Another 3 hours.
Finnegan, you're a hero.
I'm 6th gear.
Gotta do it. Pop clutch.
Okay, this is gonna be a perfect one for the BS stories. Okay, so I had to take a pull-up, right? Really bad. You saw me, I was suffering. It started to rain. As soon as it started to rain, it got worse. I took the biggest dump of my whole entire life. Like, I was happy, it just pooh, came out. After that, God was with me or something, because I started to get the toilet paper to start to wipe. I just ran out of toilet paper. Luckily, it was the one wipe. Thank God. Got up, washed my hands, and stepped out. Guy was right there in front of me. He walked in, and obviously you can't smell your own feces or anything like that. He took a deep breath. That's all I heard. After that, I started running. I ran away from the bathroom as fast as I can in the cold, wet rain. Oh my God. I felt bad because I'm thinking right now that dude's in that bathroom over there taking a pull-up, trying to take a pull-up, but does not realize there is no toilet paper left. Not only that, but he's going to have to suffer with my shit in there, and the next toilet is out of order.
Oh, that sucks.
Did I murder the guy? Maybe.
Oh, another note. We're trapped in the car right now.
With 3% battery.
We can't really get to the tents without getting the whole mud and all that other stuff in the car or in the tent.
Yep, and I have no heater.
That's such a luxury.
There's 3% battery left on the camera.
Yep, I guess this would be a perfect way to end it. Rained out. Again!
But we did improve our times from last year.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a
little bit.
Just a little
Sucks we had to run the 8th mile though.
Yeah. I'm at least going to hit some shenanigans or something like this before. Most likely. Might film it, might not, so just in case. Bye.
Later, guys.